Hello SINternet, today we are going to look at a cruise ship cabin, so stay tuned and we'll show you where we stayed.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time my videos post and you won't miss a thing.
Oh, it's such a cute little TV.
Dude, that is awesome.
Where all the fun's gonna happen.
There's yours.
Okay. Oh
mine.
gosh. Oh yes.
This is nice.
What's this button? This lights. Oh my gosh, that door is heavy. We made it. Oh, so close to everything. And because when I was booking this, I was wondering how do they keep it divided? Where people can't see from one side to the next. I mean, you can still see each other, maybe. Just looking around. You can see underneath. You can see the feet. Going back in with the heavy door. What did we miss? This is supposed to be a light. Apparently it's blown. Works with a magnet. Seen it done in home closets. Super neat. Storage. We'll have way more stuff shoved down there. Huh?
Your hat.
That's
All fucked
right. Safety. Lock your stuff away. Yes, this is ours.
Here, you can find somewhere to sit this.
Gonna have a party, y'all. Extra linens for the couch bed, I would say. And there is 2 robes there. I have a big dress that'll probably hang in there. Whole lot of information.
What was that?
Light switches. Where you find the sweet person that's going to take care of you.
Including past guests. I want to thank you so far for your attention. I'll be back with more information. In the meantime, if you haven't already downloaded the Carnival Hub app, this is a great time to do it, as we do still have service on your phones. Go ahead and download the Carnival Hub app by going to www.carnivalhubapp.com. Download the Carnival Hub app and it'll give you the most up-to-date information on events, activities, and food offerings around the ship. And also, you'll also be able to purchase your Carnival Shore excursions on the Carnival Hub app, so there's no waiting in line 24 hours a day. So once again, guys, head on over to your Carnival Hub app at www.carnivalhubapp.com and download that Carnival Hub app and get ready to have a ton of fun. In the meantime, muster station personnel and stairway guides, please report to your stations, and tablet holders, please go and retrieve your tablets.
Welcome to Get Up in the Morning with a Cruise Ship. I have no idea what that is, but... Oh, and something everybody talks about is plugins. I have no idea what that is, but there's your plug. So we brought this little thing that we've had forever for our camper. Light switches. We're turning on and off lights. No idea. Phone to the concierge. So weird. Been told don't drink the water in the room. And your light switch for your bathroom, right there outside the door. Here's another plug-in. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it's a little guy in the face. Something I forgot to show you. They do have this. I don't know if this is like a carnival thing or whatever, but they do have that. And where to hang your swimsuits, you just pull this up and pull it across whenever you pull this up, pull that across, and then it'll be out your way whenever you take your showers. I don't know what else to show you. The door does lock, and it is a step down. Where you could do your makeup.
We have to go attend this.
Briefing.
Yeah. So where's the muster station? Closest to us.
Oh, these are ours. It comes with hair dryer. I didn't know it did, and I brought mine from home. TV is off now. We're getting ready to leave port. Goodbye, Jacksonville. See you in 1 week. Now this right here takes some time to get used to. There's this big button on the wall. Right here. That toilet does go down. Just like your normal toilet, but when you that is just crazy.
Like I always say, show me some love. Like, comment, subscribe, become part of the crowd. Check that box below to see all the other places I am on the internet. We will catch you later.